Hello, my name is Cindy, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of FixnZip, which is a replacement zipper slider.
And I'm Jonathan Cotton, and I work in the Operations Department.
Today we're going to be talking about several topics. One, how to determine the size of your zipper. We're going to talk about types of zippers and how to remove the old zipper slider.
And to demonstrate, we'll be using a few of these household items, and we'll show you how to use FixnZip on a range of zipper sizes and zipper types.
First, let's talk about zipper sizes. Generally speaking, the zipper slider of an item is imprinted on the slider itself. For instance, on this jacket, it's on the back of the slider, and there's a 5 here, so that would indicate that this is a size 5 slider. On this bag, it's on the nose of the slider. So in this case, it's a 7, so this would be a 7 size zipper. Sometimes the sliders are not imprinted with a size, and in that case, you can measure the actual zipper itself. And we have guidelines for how to do that on our website, which is FixnZip.com.
So this is a size 5 zipper. And I'm going to show you how to put the FixnZip on an open-end jacket using a size 5. The nice thing about the FixnZip is this works on a range of sizes, so this medium size will fit sizes 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you start by loosening the zipper slider. Slide it over one row of zipper teeth and tighten the thumb screw down all the way. Then loosen it about a quarter turn. Insert the other row of zipper teeth and zip it up. Sometimes once you get it started, you might need to tighten down the thumb screw just a little bit, as it can loosen when it first gets started.
And if it's too tight?
If it's too tight, simply loosen the thumb screw a bit.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan. Now we're going to talk a little bit about types of zippers. The jacket that Jonathan was just demonstrating on is a tooth zipper. If you'll notice, it looks like puzzle pieces that actually fit together. That's how you know that it's teeth. This bag, however, has a coil zipper, which, when you look at it, is a continuous row, or continuous coil, I should say, of zipper material. So teeth and coil.
Now FixnZip will work on coil zippers. And right here you have a coil zipper on this purse. It's closed down here at the end. So we'll start by loosening the thumb screw, sliding it over one row of zipper teeth. And then on this purse, we'll have to insert it over the other row of zipper teeth as well. And then tighten down the thumb screw. And then we're going to take it down to the beginning of the zipper. So now that it's at the beginning, we're going to tighten down the thumb screw all the way. Then loosen it about 1/4 turn. Now what I like to do is to get it started on a closed-end zipper, I like to squeeze with my thumb and my index finger as I get it started, just to connect the teeth. And then I continue to pull.
There's also something known as an invisible zipper. This jacket here is a good example. And when the zipper is closed, as you can see, there is no obvious teeth or coil exposed. However, if you flip the jacket over, the teeth or coil in this case are on the inside of the zipper. That is what makes it invisible.
To use the FixnZip slider on an invisible zipper, we're going to attach the keyring pole to the bottom half of the FixnZip, as an invisible zipper is turned upside down. Start by loosening the thumb screw and attaching it to one row of zipper teeth. Tighten the thumb screw down all the way, and then loosen it just about a 1/4 turn. Insert the other zipper teeth in, and zip it up. And as you can see, the FixnZip works on invisible zippers. There are several ways to remove an old zipper slider. We'll show you how to remove it using a pair of cutters. And this is just one of several ways to remove a zipper slider. We're actually going to cut the old slider off. If you choose to use this route, we suggest that you get the FixnZip to work first before cutting off the old slider. And be very careful not to cut the coils, as this can damage the zipper coils. So you're going to get the pinchers right in there, right on the nose of the zipper, and there you go. The old zipper slider has been removed.
Well, we hope that we have answered some of your questions today about how to deal with broken zippers. For more information and demonstrations, please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.
If you'd like to purchase one of the FixnZip sliders, they're available on our website, FixnZip.com. Be sure to check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/FixnZip. See you next time.